Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales back again. This time a tune-up report for John in Arkansas. My friend John, he wanted to go with a RCI 99N4. We did just that. I'm going to show you here with the RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug, 25 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up, 125. Average power swing, hello, about 215 bird, 500 watt slug and peak, hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, audio, 500 PEP. You got all kinds of colors you can choose from here, John. Whatever floats your boat. Amp on off switch, good to go there too. All right, appreciate you, bud, from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.